Hello, guys. So I'm excited to show you application we developed it at Blur Apps to manage our own projects. So let me show you how it works. So here is the main page without the project. Let's create a new project. I will call it project test 23. Status can be prospecting. Start date, let's put start October 1st and ends at uh, December 12th. Let's put this on and let's create the project. So the project created is here. And here we can put some authorized users like those ones here. So those authorized users are the users who are authorized to see this project besides managers and administrators, because managers and administrators can see all the projects. And one cool thing here is that we have here the status. And when we change this project status to in progress, now we can track if this project schedule is behind schedule or ahead of schedule. This is a very easy metric that we can track the project health. I will explain how the logic works after. Um, yeah. Instead to go to this project, I will open this project test 21 here. So here you can see that we have four types of tasks that we can have in the project. The first one is in the internal checklist. They are like checklist when the project is created to see if we delivered everything that a project need. You know. Uh, then we have the developer tasks. They are the main tasks of the project for developers. Then we have these client requests. They are the tasks that client create outside the main tasks of the project, because maybe the client wants to change some colors or to report a bug, you know, and we want these tasks don't be mixed with the main tasks here. That we thought it's better to separate those kind of tasks. So we can create, for example, here bug one, and it will be linked with the milestone two, for example. So the tasks were created. We can create, for example, change color, and it will be linked with milestone 3, because those tasks always need to be linked with a milestones. Milestones are the tasks in blue here, you see. And finally, we have the QA requests. It's the same idea of the client requests, but QA are the ones who will create those tasks to developers come after and fix the things they say here, you know. And also QA can track their time. So for example, QA worked today on this milestone, so they can search the time they worked today, and which will come to here. For example, then he worked from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. So they worked. So it means that QA worked 6 hours in this milestone. Also, uh, also developers will track the time they work on each task. So, for example, let's go to these tasks here. For this task one, they can come here, click here on real time, and put, oh, I worked 3 hours on this task. Then I worked more. Then I worked more 3 hours on this task, and the real time will come to here, 6 hours, you see. And here for the client requests are the same. So client created those tasks, then the developer can come to one of them, and here they put, oh, I worked from 9 to 10 a.m. on this task. So I worked 1 hour on this task, this ticket generated. And here you can see that this project is 22 percentage behind schedule. And why? Because if we see the project here, we have those metrics. And the first one, we have the metric current date divided by estimated end date. And it means that it's 22 percentage because it started on October 1st, right? So we should be develop. We as developer, we should already developed 22 percentage of this project. The tasks in this project, but we haven't developed anything. And when, for example, for this task one, we put here the status ready for QA or done. Here was 22 percentage and now it's 18 percentage, you see. And if I move here to ready for QA, it changed again. And here again, now it's 2 percentage ahead of schedule, you see. And here below, let's put ready for QA. Now it's 19 percentage ahead of schedule, you see. And if I put here done, for example, now it's 30 percentage ahead of schedule. So this is a very easy metric to check if the project schedule is behind or ahead, you know. Um, yeah, I think that's all. Please let me know your thoughts. Thank you.